governor of Edo State. Igwerema, stop! Igwerema, stop Igwerema, Chede. Stop Igwerema. Igwerema, Eribwe. Chede, Igwerema, Eribwe. Igwerema, Eribwe. PDP. Power back to the people. Chede, Igwerema, Eribwe. I have a governor who you want me. But governor Debe, you want me. Osomiki leader was Osomana. On many governor. And not to Warere. Danny governor, Iki on many governor, walking many governor for governor you want me. I tell you, I be you to Lodon, I tell you, Wawanyanabori, Eribwe, Oji, Chede, Ogo, Shimerema, I tell you, Akwebeson, Your Excellency, the governor of Edo State, you are welcome to Ososo. Your Excellency, the deputy governor of Edo State, the first lady of Edo State, Your Excellency, wife of the deputy governor, Right Honorable Mariam Philip Shaibu, you are welcome to Ososo. Your Excellency, this is to show you that Ososo love you. Wherever you go, Ososo will go with you. Ososo, you are fighting against godfatherism in Edo State and in Nigeria. Ososo is showing you that even in Ososo, we are saying no to godfatherism. Are we saying no to godfatherism in Ososo? Your Excellency, a brief remark with the permission of the leader of the party in Akoko Edo, Engineer Ata, who is also from this community. Kirigoza for the leader. With his kind permission, Pastor Ogedengbe will give a 1-minute remark to welcome you. And then the erstwhile APC chairman for Ward 10 and his ESCO, they will come here to decamp and join you formally. And Your Excellency will be invited to receive them. The APC chairman in Ward 10 is here. The woman leader for the local government, she is here. The ESCO, they are here. They are with you. They are with the governor, they are with the deputy governor, and they are saying no to godfatherism. Pastor Ogedengbe, please. PDP! PDP! Power back to the people! Osadebe House! When I say Osadebe House, you say Obaseki straight! Osadebe House! The Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, we thank you so much and we welcome you to Ososo. This is Ososo. We are not saying welcome to Ososo, but we are telling you this is Ososo, the center of PDP. We want to assure Your Excellency, as a people, we have sat down, we have analyzed this government, and we have seen a man that is passionate about the people of Edo State. We have seen your works. We have seen how you stood against godfatherism. We have seen how you stood against corruption in this city. For the first time in a very long time, Akoko Edo was blessed with a third road. I stand to say, Governor Obaseki, you brought the first third road. I mean, apart from this major road, the first third road that brought into anywhere in Ososo was brought by you. But the mistake was that you sent a very wrong person. In the person of Emmanuel Agbaje, we are not apologetic to tell you that he took that road and put it in his father's street where there is only 4 people. And we've been crying for Ososo Okpela Road. If that road was taken from the junction here for 200 meters, it would have been the beginning of that road. We stand as a people to tell you that we are supporting you. Oshomole came here 8 years ago and told us that if he doesn't do that road, Holy Ghost fire will pursue him. We are thanking God because in this land, you don't pray and you don't receive answer. When you pray, you receive answer. He said Holy Ghost will bring him down. Holy Ghost has brought him down. And he will continually be down. He will continually be down. Sir, we want to make a special request. One request, sir. We don't want to bore you with plenty of requests. We are locked up in this place. There is no way out here apart from only this way that comes in. We are enjoying you, please, sir. As a people, we stand to beg you, sir, because we know you are a working governor. We know you are a passionate governor. Now, please, sir, also Okpela Road. We know that I'm into construction. I know that it might cost you very much. But please, sir, let us take it 200 meters. If it takes us 4 years to finish it, we'll be very grateful, sir. Thank you, and God bless you, sir.
PDP! PDP! Let me ask you one question. Do you believe that the Wake-and-See governor can construct that road? Do you believe he can construct that road? Are you prepared to send it back to Osadebe Avenue? Let me now invite the Gbenemene Twatwa 1, the Kulukulu 1, the Oduma with NAFDAC number, a Knight of St. Mulumba, the chairman of this campaign council, Chief Dan Osi Obi, to talk to the great people of Ososaland. Make some noise! PDP! PDP! Power to the people! I greet the great people of Osasa. I commend the last speaker for telling us all the good things the governor is doing for Edo people. As we visit Osasa, I want to appeal to Adam Soshomole to let this campaign be about issues. I want to appeal to Adam Soshomole that is not on the ballot in this election. Yes, he's going about this campaign as if he is the governorship candidate of APC. I don't want him to kneel down again saying he's making mistakes. I don't want him to start pleading that he has made mistakes. Let me tell you, on this particular election, there is no better person that will tell you who you should vote for. I know Pastor Ezeyamu. We were both students in the University of Benin. He was our former candidate during the last election. Today, I have come with the performing governor of Edo State, who defeated him in the last governorship election. He will defeat him again. The difference is clear. When Oshomole came with the governor a few years ago, he told the Edo people that Governor Godwin Obaseki is the best man for the job. Yes. At that time, some of us did not know the kind of person the governor is. Today, we know him better. We have seen his good work. We want him to continue. Oshomole should let Edo people decide who should govern them. He was governor of this state for 8 years, and I make vote to say what was good for Oshomole to serve for 8 years is also good for Godwin Obaseki. Yes, oh. Yes, oh. The difference is that in 4 years, Godwin Obaseki has done more than what Oshomole did in 8 years.
Yes, so.
I can see the envy. I can see the jealousy. No man is God. No man can play God.
No.
I watched a program yesterday on Channels Television. I heard Adams Oshomole talking about PDP and talking about the certificate of the governor. The governor attended a university, the University of Ibadan. They have come out to attest to that. But I will challenge Oshomole to show us his primary school certificate. What we are talking about is that we need a man who will put aside personal interest and work for the development of our state. We have seen that in Godwin Obaseki, God has given us that man, a man of great character, a man who has put aside everything, even his friendship with Adams Oshomole, for the interest of Edo State. God will reward you. God will bless you. God will bless the people of this state. We have decided to stay by the governor because we have seen what he's capable of doing. Give him another 4 years, he will do more for Edo State. It is on this note that I will invite his able deputy, Comrade Philip Shaibu, to come and talk to the people.
Obaseki, Godwin Obaseki, Philip Shaibu, 4+4, Kogba, he must do back, he must do back. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, I say carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin dey, not go.
Also youth, they're not there here at all. They're not there. They're not there. Who are there? Who sure? Okay, I want to know. Okay. Also youth, PDP. Check the day, not true the day. Okay, also women are they here? Also women, PDP. It be like saying a woman plenty password. Okay, also youth, PDP. I don't want to talk again. Okay, men now, men, PDP. It be like saying a woman and youth win. All right, all of us win. When I hear what our chairman just talk now, yes, sir. But you know, say our governor go soon come talk to us, Abi, yes. And he get many things we go tell us. But we youth, they say also future, no be our hand today. Yes, our papa and mama they struggle, no be made better for us. Yes. This thing where they want make it better for us. Una want spoil them? No. Una want spoil them? No. When Donald and Pastor they talk just now, they go memory lane. They tell una wetin that happened before, Abi. Yes, sir. Una want make we return back to where we come from? No. Is it not forward ever? Forward ever? Forward ever? All right, youth. I want to know because on a day here, yes, sir. On election day. They said they won't come shoot gun, carry ballot box. No. Una go agree? No. They get two heads? No. They get two heads? No. Okay, may I tell you this story? When una don't say I've been the House of Assembly, Abi, yes. They won't remove comrade. When they won't remove them, me and they among them, we say no way. say because if they remove her, certain thing go spoil. They give me money, I refuse. They even give me land for Metama, I say I no want. Make I tell you now. Una own. And who they say make we remove? Comrade. Now, Comrade give Emilio 40 million. Make it take the camp to make it leave PDP to APC. If he come here, make he come give una share of that 40 million. And they tell you that now, una vote for Rame go collect 40 million. Una vote for Rame collect 40 million. Now we say make he go represent now, make it be better thing come. Now he don't go collect 40 million. He don't go collect 40 million. Now me talk about he don't go collect 40 million. Because I talked to Ram, he said make I check our governor, make he give her $100,000. I talked to Ram, I said look, now the progress of Ososo, the progress of this constituency, now they vote to me you can't represent. He said make I tell governor, make he give him $100,000. Now what if they could have voted and be that? All right, but you don't do. On election day, wait. You do. No, more than no say only. More than wait. No, more than no say only. When I know what una go do, on election day, una go show say una be better people wey want the progress of Ososo. And what una take do on a PVC? Una use una PVC on election day. Take sure and say all of una no be mumu. Say all of una want the progress of Ososo. And on that day, you go use that PVC. Take vote which party? Take vote which party? All right, now our guy here go call our governor. But before he come, we suppose pepper them dance. We supposed show them pepper them dance. Una ready? Una ready? We go do it like this. And we can show 4 + 4. DJ, oh yeah, let's go.
4 + 4.
If we not be God win yo, we not go vote any other person. We not go vote. If we not be PDP, we not go vote any other party. We not go vote. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, I say carry your ticket go. Anywhere God in there, we go. Anywhere shy we go, not here we go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Anywhere God in there, not here we go. Anywhere shy we go, not here we go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Anywhere God in there, not here we go. Anywhere shy we go, not here we go. Obaseki.
PDP! I see say na correct youths dey here. I go teach una one song before we come out here. Una go follow me sing am. I'll sing am once, una go join me. Osho le baba, Osho le baba, Osho carry money marry Oyibo, Oyibo run away, Osho they cry, Osho le baba, Osho le baba. Osho carry money marry Oyibo, Oyibo run away, Osho they cry. PDP! Forward to the people! At this very point, permit me to invite the performing governor, the Otokinadu, the governor that we all love, The governor will support. The governor we will re-elect. 4+4.
Any other person, we don't go vote. If we not be PDP, we don't go vote. Any other party, we don't go vote.
Thank you.
Make you carry your ticket.
PDP. 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 Power to the people. Power to the people. Power must go to the people. Not be so. Who get power? Not be the people. Like Godfather. Like the people. By the grace of God, I don't bring power back to the people. But I want make the people make them enjoy this power. They can only enjoy this power if they are alive. If they're safe. I come here today. When I see me, I dey wear mask. When I not see this mask, when I know why, because of this thing that they call coronavirus. If it kill person, especially old people. That is why everybody must wear mask when they come to occasion like this. I don't bring mask for PDP people. All of una go get. I bet make una they try wear them. Especially when una they around old people, so that this virus it not go affect them. If it affect young people, una not go feel them. You know, it go be like malaria.
Our feelings, we don't need them.
But I know. PDP. Look. Osaso now my second home. This now the 5th time I don't come here. The last time I come, I don't even know say one of my good friends, one very, very big man for this country. Now from here I come. I come bury Papa, I use helicopter come. So I know about Ososo. I know the potential of this town. This place is a tourist haven. In those days, Oyibo they come here, come relax. Not be so. So why can we not return this place back to what it was before? I go help you now. I go help you now. And the other thing I like about Ososo, una go school. Una get better people from here. So, not before my time, it goes spoil.
Yes. Education.
By the grace of God, not before my time, it goes spoil. Just as education help una produce big people today. And so I go invest in education so that when I go produce big people tomorrow. So I'm not they play with education, and I know that.
Yes.
We must pay teachers salary on time. When I say we don't train teacher, give them hand computer to train the children. Not be so. When I won't make that one stop. If they come again, they will carry the money, they're not going to pay teacher again. So this election is about the people. How do we make sure that those things that are important to you, government will support to do it? One of them is education. We have done for basic school. Now we are moving to junior, senior, technical. Yes. My aim, our aim as a government, is that by the time you don't finish JSS, you go get handwork. Yes. You must get handwork. If you not feel continue after that, you go get work to employ yourself. But by the grace of God, we will also make sure say people continue. Particularly, I want people to go to technical school. I want make people go technical school. I want make everybody get hand work. Make you get what you they do when you wake up every day. When I talk about the road for Ososo,
to Okpila.
Yes.
You know, I no want been talk, but when I hear what deputy say, I say make I tell you now. When una representative, they negotiate since this thing don't start since almost 2 months. They say make it come, they will give money, he go come meet me, he go complain. I say what you they complain for? He say okay, and this also Okpila road. And I say okay, wait. We don't start the design. This is what I will do. I take the phone, I put on, I call. But I know who I call? I call the chairman of Bua Cement. I say, you dey do cement for Okpila. You must do one thing for Edo State. I want you make you build that road with government. That Okpila Ososo road. For Emilio Dedeo, he dey listen for the speaker. That one say, I will do it. Have you done your design? I say yes. He said, I will send my engineers to come and look at your design and we will start the construction before the end of this year. How can somebody who is representing you, when you know say that kind of progress won't come Ososo, he won't take that progress, come out for Ososo.
No possible.
And I want so una only ask me for one thing today. I go do more than one. But that one thing we want to ask, to tell you that we have already started working on it. I do not say what I cannot do.
Yes, sir.
They know me for that. If I not go do, I not go talk say I go do. And once I decide, say I go do, nobody, born of a woman, can stop me. So I tell you that today, say the road between Ososo and Okpila, which is about 12.75 kilometers, I will do it. I will build it. So they could not take that one, go bank. They could not put on for pocket. Good as done. But to help me make sure say I do them, I beg you now. On September 19th, as soon as arrange yourself. By the way, this is the most beautiful world campaign. This is the most beautiful world campaign I have seen. Because it is unit by unit. Up to unit 15. Abi? Up to unit 16. 13. So everybody, nobody feel hide. This campaign now unit by unit. Word by word. You cannot play politics outside of your word. So, Ososo. How many times I talk Koluna? I go build on a road. I go build on a road. I go train on a youth. I will bring tourism back to Ososo. God bless you!
I want
Thank you.
We now want to formally receive the APC chairman and the APC woman leader with their supporters who are joining PDP today because of the good work of the governor.
It is a power of darkness. Because it is a power of darkness, we are quitting from power of darkness today. Because umbrella, when it is raining, it is the umbrella that will cover your rain. When it is sun, it is the umbrella that will cover your sun. For that reason, from now on, myself and every woman, good woman of our Ososo Kingdom, we are now members of the special party, PDP.
We now want to
and by name, Mr. Francis Abdullahi, formerly APC World Chairman. His Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, have run away from oppression from Oshomole. I also, the Chairman of APC World 10, am running from oppression from Honorable Imam Baji. Thank you.
Yes, the Ososo has declared their total support and vote for God University. As you can see, they are rejecting the Godfather and everything that has to do with the Godfather. Yeah, this is local government chairman. Ososo is standing still for Governor Godumobaseki. Make no mistake about it. Huh? shut down for Governor Obaseki. I saw youth are ready, the women, the men, they are resolute. The pensioners, school servants, they have all decided that it's Governor Obaseki they are casting their vote for. This is not policy as usual. They are ready for the
we now go for them to God will not pass the key. God will not pass the key.
Yes, we are heading to Underworld. It's word-to-word toll. The governor is just leaving Ososo. People are resolute. It is 4+4 talk back. There's no two ways about it. 4+4 talk back, 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 talk back.
We go come and again and again. Any of that party, we don't go vote. Anywhere God win, there we go. Anywhere side.